to Sia's
Sia's
vlog.
YouTube channel. She can't talk.
She can't talk, so we'll talk on behalf.
Yeah. She lost her voice today. Amma, Amma.
Yes, guys, I lost my voice. Probably you won't be able to hear me.
She lost her voice, you guys. I'm gonna be her voiceover artist today.
With this voice, you know how much I enjoyed Bali, okay?
Why? And number 2. What's the pretty black hair? This is good black. See, she's wearing black. I'm wearing something black. Then I'm like, channel. So we are back from Bali and you guys probably will be seeing this vlog after my Bali vlog. Okay, so today I'm finally going and getting my nails done because tomorrow we have 2 events to go to. So one is with WKL. Also this event is such a coincidence. When I was in Bali, I got a text for this event and the Bali Seminyak W is taking over the KLW. How cool is that? So it's somewhere linked to Bali, guys. I am still in Bali hangover. Yes. So yeah, so and the second event is with Huda Beauty. So Huda Beauty is opening their store in Cebu. So the event is all about that. So today I need to go get my nails fixed. Just look how filthy my nails look. This is because I tried a nail polish at home, tried to get my manicure done at home. That did not work. Then I was trying to take it off and I did not have a nail polish remover at home. So yeah, hence it looks more bad. I'll show you guys my full outfit in a while. So let's go spend the day together, okay? Quietly, because it's only you and I today. Just 2 of us. Just the 2 of us. Okay, let's go. some unboxing. I have got couple of stuff. I have saved the best for the last, okay? But before that, I have couple more stuff to show you guys. So I was just arranging my PR packages all. So I just thought of doing a quick unboxing with y'all. And let's have a chat. Bali was super amazing. I'm still Bali hungover. So let's not talk about Bali. That'll make me sad because I really want to go back to Bali at this instance. If you know what I'm saying, you know it, guys. Yes. So first we have is these two serums from L'Oreal. So this is their glycolic acid face serum and eye serum. So these come in this glass bottle. Super excited to try them. They smell really good. Then we have a box full of lipsticks. Oops. Lipsticks and eye products like from 3Cs. So 3Cs is finally here in Malaysia. I'm super excited to try out all these. Like, let me just show you. So this is basically like this. You just turn them and then let's put it on. These are like so hydrating and pigmented at the same time. Love them. Next we have is a package from Elemis. So Elemis just sent me their rose serum. This was packed in such a cute box with actual roses in it, but I couldn't preserve it. It was a couple of days back, so I had to discard the box because the roses tend to get rotten. So here is the serum. So this is their hydrating serum, and this serum is meant to keep your face, your skin hydrated and give you like more hydration than anything else, any other product. I did give it a quick try other day and it feels so good. Literally feels so good on skin. See, smells so good, like a bouquet of roses. Literally smells like a bouquet of roses. So thank you, Elmis. Next we have some sunscreens from Anisa. So Anisa, they just sent these two sunscreens. We went for their event. I didn't vlog for the event, I guess. Yes, I did not vlog. So they had an event early May or end of April. So yeah. So in that event, I did try these two sunscreens. So this sunscreen is also safe for infants, babies. Yeah. So this is so gentle for, especially for sensitive skin, and even babies can use this. And this is their SPF 50 perfect UV sun protection, sun care, skin care sunscreen. So this is these both are in milk consistency, like a lotiony consistency, and also they actually provide more protection when you actually sweat or get in the pool, like when you are more sweaty or there's more heat, it doubles up the protection. So that's absolutely perfect for this hot KL weather. Yeah, so next up we have some stuff from Shein. So we went for the Shein pop-up event, right? So during the pop-up event, we were supposed to pick one or two items of our choice, but they did not have a lot of options available at the pop-up. So the PR girl, she was so sweet. She told, it's okay, you can just select whatever you like on the website and send it to me. So I just picked two of these. Let me just show you. This is such a cute bag, and nowadays I am like super into cherry color. It's it's become my new pink, you know. Like I was like too much into pink, but nowadays I'm too much into cherry, and it's the perfect size, like perfect shoulder length and everything. The fabrics feels so soft and it is so spacious. Let me show you guys. Just see how much stuff I can like literally stuff in. I can literally imagine stuffing so much stuff into it. Sorry, bag, I'm gonna stuff a lot of stuff in you. Please bear with me, but you're pretty. So I'll just leave the link for this bag in the description below. So if you guys like it, you can just grab it. It's available on Shein, okay? Also, there is a coupon code for you guys for Shein. So when you shop, you get additional discount. Isn't that amazing? So, and I also picked a pair of shoes from them. So if for those who haven't tried Shein shoes, you must try. Their shoes are real good. Just look at them. They look like the Miu Miu shoes. They look so pretty, right? I did see these at the pop-up, but they did not have my size available at the pop-up. So yeah, I just picked them online and they shared the link. So she sent these as well. These are so pretty. I can't wait to style them and wear them. So there's an event this Thursday. So yeah, we might just wear these on this Thursday and take the bag as well. So both look like a set. They're matchy matchy, right? Okay, next up we have some stuff. Okay, these are the ones I actually ordered from Shein because I wanted some stuff like accessories. So these are like a bunch of accessories. Like they're mainly like rings, like a lot of different kind of rings. I won't open them all because if I open I again have to put them all in like these. So these are like, we have different kind of rings, mainly rings guys. Nowadays, not nowadays I would say, I am like obsessed with accessories. And like yeah, these are like different rings. Only there's only one pair of earrings. So these are the shell earrings, and then we have 2 pairs of bracelets. So this is a set of 2, and yeah, more rings. That is all. Too many rings, I know. Why do I want too many rings? Are so many rings necessary? Not at all. But do I want it? Yes. Do I need it? No. But yeah, I do style them, so it is of good use to me. It's not something that is just going to lie in the drawer. Yeah. So then we have some products from Lumi Beauty. So Lumi Beauty just launched their hand creams. So yeah, this is a little detail about the hand creams. And they come in 3 different fragrances that you can see. This is what they have mentioned. They come in 3 fragrances and I have smelled them. They look super aesthetic. Just look at the packaging. How cute is the packaging? So this one is Berry Bliss. So this smells like berries. Oh yeah, smells so good. Let me just put some on my hand right now. And this doesn't make my hands feel like sticky or like too heavy. It's like the light kind of a hand cream, but does its job. So I like the fragrance. And next we have is Petal Paradise. Just look at the cute packaging. They are like pastel colors with pastel caps. Oh, this smells even better. Like very floral kind of fragrance. If you're someone who likes floral fragrances, yes. And then we have this one. This is Pear Perfection. Oh yeah, this is very fruity kind of a fragrance. I am obsessed with the packaging. I'm definitely going to keep this in my handbag. And now this bag is definitely going to fit this in. Yes, love, love, love. And then we have something which came in this morning, and I am so excited to show you guys. I just need to make some room. 1 sec, because the box is huge. Okay, the box is huge, no joke. Let me just take off this address sticker. Okay, look at this, you guys. It's bigger than my face. Look at this. I personally love Sol de Janeiro products. Since the time they are available in Malaysia, I have been using their body butter, their shower gel, their shampoo, conditioner, their mists. They have been a part of my daily routine. And we have over here is the sun care. So their sunscreens have been launched here in Malaysia. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. This is the main reason I'm sitting down, so I can like show you guys properly what's in it. So this is how the box is. So these are the 3 sunscreens being launched. So there is a body oil, there is a lotion and a spray. How amazing is that? I wish I could have got hands on this before going to Bali. It would have been so... It's in a bag. It's in this pink bag. let me just check this card first. Okay, so new Rio Radiance SPF 50 sunscreen collection. So the oil is the ultimate glow, and we have a spray that is natural sheen, and then we have soft radiance lotion. So we have all three inside of this box. You know what, guys, I have to do an unboxing for my Instagram, so I'm not taking it off completely, but I'm giving you guys a sneak peek. You guys are first to see this, okay? I am in love with the box. Look at that. Look at that. Should I take it out? No, let's not do that. Okay, so this is the body oil, the spray, and we have the lotion. These are full size. Oh god, luckily it's not glass. Okay, so these are like the full size products. Can't wait to try them. I absolutely love Sol de Janeiro, guys. Thank you for sending these, you guys. Super excited to try them. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the unboxing right now. And I got a couple of more stuff to do. I have to go finish that. So yeah, guys, a big thank you to y'all for your support, constantly supporting me from the time I'm creating content. I'm super grateful to you guys so that I'm receiving these stuff. It's all because of you guys, for all your love and support. Love you all a lot. I don't say this quite often, but yes, I love you all, and your support is much appreciated, you guys. I love you all so much. Yeah, now I am emotional and I'm rambling, so before I ramble too much, let me go get my stuff done, because Kiyaan is about to come. It's almost time for Kiyaan to be back home from school, so I need to finish a couple more stuff before he's back, and then let's see what next we are about to do. Okay, I'll see you pretty soon. The vlog is not over. Keep watching, okay?